Hello guys, it's me Sanjay here. I'm warmly welcome you all for this Artificial Intelligence Masterclass series. So it's gonna be our third days Masterclass series on AI, and I hope you guys are super excited to attend this first day of the session. So if you all super excited, you just post "I'm super excited" Sanjay in your live chat, because it is really a great thing that you people are here, because it is really like 30 days, like 30 days series on the field of AI. So where you'll be learning the very core concepts of AI, such as like machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, chatbot creation, natural language processing, AI in cloud, and AI using hardware, and etc. Tons of the things which we are going to learn. And of course, like Python programming, we are going to use this in this throughout the series. And before going further, let us talk about the prerequisites. So while talking about the prerequisites, you really don't want to know anything, okay? Because a lot of people have some thoughts running in your mind like, Sanjay, I don't know this, can I begin this journey? I don't know this, can I begin this journey? I'm not good at programming. I don't know what is meant by AI even. So likewise, you might have a lot of thoughts and questions running in your mind. So if you, even though it is running in your mind, no problem, okay? Because this 30 days is gonna be completely from the beginner to the advanced level. So as days going by, you're going to build a lot of project. And the first thing which I really want to share with you, which is this is not a usual 30-day session, because in this 30 days, you're going to build a lot of projects by yourself. Okay, so and before going further, are you guys all ready to build 25 plus project in this 30-day series for free? So if you all excited and if you all ready to build this 25 plus projects on the field of AI, you just post I'm ready with fire emojis in the live chat. Okay, and before going further, I really wanted to welcome the people present here. So here we have Yestek hi, Rohit Kumar hi, Gogul Krishna hi, Ali Hamul hi, Nasir hi, Scattered hi, and Shushmita hi, Mukle hi, and Komal hi. Guys, it's I feel really happy, like, because it's been a very long days, because we guys have conducted this AI masterclass series. It's been around 2 to 3 months back, I think so. So that's after a very long time we are back in this 30-day series. And when I'm seeing the people who used to post a lot of the things in the live chat, I felt really happy by seeing this. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your comments and your interaction which you are doing. So Style Star and Satya Narayan and Jishnu hi, and Porkodi hi, and Moses Tua hi, and Ripon hi, and Joas hi, and Moses hi. Hello guys, thank you so much. A lot of people are posting their responses. Thank you, and a lot of people are also posting fire emojis and hi. And please call me Sanjay, guys. No need to call sir. Please call me Sanjay. Yes. So let us begin the session. Are you guys are ready? So if you are ready, just give your comments in the live chat. Yes, lot of people are posting this. That's really awesome. So let me place my face on top. Okay. Yes. So yes, shall we begin the session? So first of all, thank you so much. And before going further, let us have some announcement. So while talking about the announcement, the first announcement is attendance. I think some people used to have these thoughts running in your mind. So attendance link will be available in between the live session. So once the session is completed, start filling up the attendance form. Until then, please kindly don't rush up for the attendance form. And second thing, minimum you require 25 days of attendance to avail free e-certificate. Yes, if you are attending this 30 days for free, so yes, of course you are going to attend this for free. But if you are filling more than only after, like if you are having minimum of 25 days of attendance form filling, then you are eligible to get free e-certificate. And today's session is going to be around 90 minutes plus interaction. So there is going to be a lot of interaction, and in between, if you have any questions, don't raise it in the live chat. Keep on holding until it's chat with the Q&A session. So on the Q&A session, just ask your questions. Okay, and stay till the end, so that the first day of the material is going to be shared through email. And if you are staying just till the end, so I'm going to be sharing with you on the through the email. Okay, so will you stay till the end? If you will stay till the end, you just post I will stay Sanjay in your live chat. Thank you so much, guys. Lot of emojis is flowing on the live chat. That's awesome. Thank you so much for giving that. Yes. So let us begin the session, guys. Okay, so first of all, before going further, let me tell you a story. And okay, so let me ask you a question. which department are you from? You just give your comments in the live chat. So why I'm asking this question, why Sanjay want to know like which department are we from? Because in this current scenario, I think a lot of people have got scared by seeing the growth of artificial intelligence. Not only about, not only me or not only traditional people, even the person who is said to be a godfather of AI in the company called Google, he used to relieved from Google company because he he used to give the statement like for the past 4 to 6 months, the growth of AI is really huge. Okay, so once the chat GPT got introduced, the growth of AI and the growth of AI into the every field, which is really high, which made some fear among the biggest peoples, because definitely it will consume or it will take a lot of people's opportunity in the field of your domain. You might be from electrical department, you might be from mechanical department, you might be from electronics, you might be from computer science, you might be from any civil, or you might be from any department. There is a high risk which the AI can grab your job. Because let me tell you some best example. So like people used to do a copywriting, right? For an example, people even in our company, we used to have one person who is used to get 20,000 salary, who used to do the copywriting. So copywriting is nothing but writing an emails, writing writing an ad text or ad title, ad description. So that person who used to write something, but even after the chat GPT got introduced, if he is not familiar with AI, if he is not good at AI, if he is not good at utilizing this kind of generative AI, he will lose his job. That is what happened exactly. So whatever the field you are, you might be from any department, learning AI is gonna be a very important thing. Okay, so it's not mean that AI is gonna be a different subject. I am from electronics, I don't need AI. I am from digital marketing, I don't need AI. I am a copywriter, I don't need AI. So don't do that. Okay, so don't be on that kind of mindset, because even after this mid journey and those stuffs came, image designing, creative image designing gone very intense by using that simple AI itself. So try to always leverage yourself. Try to learn AI with your career, with your department. Try to learn AI parallelly. So that's why we are reconducting this 30 days masterclass series. And if you all excited for this 30 days free series, because it's really not an easy job to conduct 30 days live sessions on AI. So if you really feel the value which you are going to get, so I think you have already saw the agendas and those stuff. If you're really excited, so you just post, I'm super excited, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, so you might be a school student, you might be a college student, you might be a professor, you might be working in some other company. Learning AI is gonna be a very mandatory thing which you need to master. So in this time, otherwise we have some warnings to lose our job. Okay, try to leverage yourself and try to explore this kind of AI and try to use it in your field and try to improve yourself, because the company is not going to expect like it is needed to be done by a human. It is needed to be done by only the human. We should not use any computer or something. No, company won't expect that. Company's expectation is nothing but sales. Company's expectation is nothing but conversions. Company's expectation is just they need a result. That result, if it can able to be obtained by the AI, then they'll go for the AI. Right? So if you, even though you are a copywriter, if you are really good at using this kind of generative AI, you are going to hold down your job. Okay, so if you are, just give your comments in the, if you whatever the stuff which you really want to share, you just give your comments in the live chat if you are excited. Okay, so Pradhan, don't spread any negative within the live chat. Okay, whatever the problem you have, I am here. So I am here in the live now. So whatever the stuff, you just give your comments in the live chat. I am here to help you. So finally on the Q&A section. Okay, so this is what the story which I really want to share with you. Try to be leverage yourself and try to learn this AI for the complete 30 days. So consistency is the key. Okay, so first of all, before going further, in the field of learning, people used to have a lot of problem. If there is more content, we won't learn, right? So for an example, if I'm going to take this class for 5 hours, you won't learn, you will be getting bored. So if there is more content, you won't learn. If it is very difficult to learn, yes, definitely, like if I'm using a lot of technical terms, and if I'm using like lot of difficulty words and difficult technical terms, you won't learn. And if there is very less application, so if you can't even able to build the project by yourself, that is waste of learning, right? Because we are just learning and we are not doing it, that is waste of learning. So that is why less application. And the fourth reason, where if the session is not interactive, like if you can't able to interact with your instructor, you will be feeling bored. And if the content is not precise, so definitely will be getting bored. So these are all the problem in learning. So if you all agreeing to this, you just post agree Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so these are all the problem in the field of learning. And as well, problem people used to say, tell me like problem is lack of information. Actually, I'm telling you, problem is not a lack of information. For an example, you just simply go to the Google, and if you are typing like artificial intelligence, okay, you just simply type artificial intelligence, you just see here there are tons and tons of results, which it really showing that problem is not a lack of information, problem is information overload. Guys, let me tell you something. Sanjay, I don't want to learn from you guys. I can learn from YouTube, or I can learn from some other courses. I can learn from some other places. So likewise, people used to give lot of comments. I can learn by myself. But it will result in terms of overloading. Because if you are learning linear regression algorithm from one instructor, and if you are seeing something different in that instructor, and if you are switching to another instructor, you will be getting like, like exhausted, because that is going to be overloaded. So you just want to be completely precise on that. So that's why we are providing a system where we are providing a clear-cut, precise and focused implementation with clear mentorship. This is what actually people need. So that's what we are going to do through application-based learning. So this application-based learning, which is going to have 3 steps. Number 1, you are going to learn a concept. Okay. So as a AI developer, as a machine learning developer, as a data scientist, you are going to solve one problem. So first of all, we are going to understand the problem, and we are going to learn about the algorithm. So we are going to learn the concept first. This is the first step. And the second step, you are going to learn a programming syntax, okay, which is required to solve the problem. So you are going to learn a programming syntax. And finally, you are going to build a project. Okay. Each and every day, you are going to go through three steps. Okay. The first, each and every day, the first part, you are going to learn a concept, and then you are going to learn a programming syntax, and you are going to build a project. Okay, so that is what the 3-step journey which you are going to be there. So okay, so let me ask you a question. How many of you have faced this one? Sanjay, when I'm in my college, or when I'm in my school, a lot of people used to suggest me, first of all, master programming language. Without programming knowledge, you can't do anything. So on that time, we used to go to our flashback in our school days and college days, where we used to see that 40 lines of program. I'm not talking about the programming enthusiast. Okay, I'm talking about the rest of 95% of the people. So those people used to get scared. Sanjay, I'm not good at programming. The program lines like 40 lines, 50 lines, I don't do that. So it is having that classes, inheritance, polymorphism. When I used to remember that, I will be getting demotivated to learn the concept. How many of your people have felt this? If you have felt this, you just post, I felt Sanjay in your live chat. Because that is the problem. As a developer, as an instructor, even though, yes, without a programming, you can't move further. Yes, even though that is a true, but whenever you are promoting, or whenever you are promoting or creating awareness to learn AI to the people, if they are not good at even in a programming, my responsible to bring programming to you, right? So we need to teach in the way of very friendly, or very user friendly and very easy to learn. So that is what my job role. All right. So that is what it really needed. Okay. So that's why I'm not going to tell you, guys, if you are not good at C programming, leave the session. If you are not good at Python programming, leave the session. I'm not going to tell that. So instead, this 30 days is framed based on application based learning. Each and every day, you are going to build a project. Okay, so it's my pleasure to give introduction about our company. Our company is Pantech Solutions and Warriorsway, where we are 18 years of product-based company where we used to manufacture a lot of electronics, electrical, mechanical, robotics products as well as the projects. And now we guys have started another company called Warriorsway, where we used to transfer our knowledge in terms of courses. Okay, so if you are typing, if you are visiting our official website pantechsolutions.net, like if you are clicking the product, we used to manufacture, this is our manufacturing, so we used to manufacture a lot of products under the electronics, electrical, mechanical and robotics and etc. As well as we used to manufacture a lot of projects, as well as we used to provide such type of courses. You just see here, so like AI course which we used to provide at the price of 1,499. So likewise, we are the manufacturing company. We used to transfer our 18 years of product based company in terms of courses. Okay, so if you are ready to learn from us, you just post RTL Sanjay in your live chat. So in this 30 days, what all the stuff you are going to learn is, first of all, the first 2 days is going to be covering up the AI, basic of AI and creating a chatbot. And it is going to cover up basic Python, like how to install Python in your laptop, how to do basic program and those stuff. And then we will be moving on to the computer vision, so the projects such as like face detection, object tracking, face recognition, face emotion recognition and etc. And then we'll be moving on to the machine learning, and then we'll be moving on to the deep learning, so where you just see here leaf disease detection, hand gesture recognition, smart attendance system, vehicle detection and natural language processing, AI using cloud, AI using hardware. These are all gonna be your 30-day session. Okay, so where you will be building 25 plus projects. So if you are completed this 30 days at a stretch, in your resume or in your portfolio, you will be having 25 plus project under the category of computer vision, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, AI cloud and hardware. If you have that also, you can able to add. Okay, so you guys are ready for the first part of the session. So if you are ready, and you just post RTL Sanjay in your live chat. So yes, myself Sanjay, I'm a product manager and data scientist at Pantech Solutions. And while talking about my technological expertise, first of all, I started my career with brain computer interface technology, and then I moved on to embedded system and Internet of Things, because I'm from electronics and communication engineering, and parallelly I'm used to do a lot of business analysis. And in between, I also worked in some little bit on blockchains and robotic operating system and autonomous robot. So these are all my work, which which I have done personally. And while talking about me, let me tell you another short story. Do you know one thing? When I'm doing my BE with electronics and communication engineering, I am like used to have a lot of arrears. Okay, so I used to have arrears like in the electronics field. Okay, and also I have arrears in my signals fields. So I used to have a lot of arrears in these such type of fields, like even it is electronic field and computer science field. I used to have a lot of arrears, but even though I've gotten arrears, I can able to build the project like this. So guys, how many of you people are interested in building autonomous robots? Okay, so if you are learning about AI and those stuff, definitely you might have heard about autonomous robots, right? So how many of you people wanted to build this? Okay, so if you build this, if you wanted to build this, you just post I wanted Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so these are all some autonomous robot which I've created in this working period. So even though you are not good at academics, even though you are used to fail in examinations, even though you have very less percentage, even though you are you are not good at programming or whatever, it's about the decision which you are making. In my third year, my life-changing moment was I have done internship with the Pantech Solutions. Okay, so that is not my life-changing moment, because on my third year, on my holidays, I've done the project on brain computer interface. So like controlling with the help of brain, you can able to control the car. So that is what I've worked on in my third year. So my first decision, the life-changing moment in this entire journey is, in my third year, I've done an internship with Pantech Solutions. After I'm completing my degree, I haven't applied for any job. I directly came to Pantech and I've attended an interview. Since I've already done an internship, I got easily selected in Pantech Solutions. So while comparing with my neighbor, my starting salary were 7,000. Okay, where my neighbor salary were 20,000 in IT company, in direct MNC with testing, I think so, I'm not sure. So that is what the starting salary. My starting salary were 7,000. Okay, so now when comparing with him and me, I'm more happy than him. Okay, I'll be revealing my salary within a few month, okay, few days or something, because I'm gonna be getting some promotion, I think so. So I'll be revealing that. But now let me tell his salary. His salary were now 42,000. Now I'm happy than him. Okay, let's just imagine like what is my salary is. Okay, so that is what the thing. So don't get demotivated, whatever the situation you are. Be in this journey, attend this complete 30 days. We'll be covering a lot of mindset so that you are going to learn everything parallelly. It's not only about the technical, so it's also about mindset and like self improvement, everything you're going to learn. So be ready for it. Okay, so if you are ready to learn now, you just post I'm ready Sanjay in a lecture, guys. So let us begin our technical session. Okay, sorry guys, are ready? Shall I start? Okay, Yogesh Bhubadi, I have asked an amazing question. No problem. Try to hold on your question and you just ask me it in the end of the today's session. Okay, so on the Q&A will be there. You can ask on that time. Okay, let us begin. So first of all, how many of you people are having this confusion? Sanjay, my neighbors used to talk about AI, data science, machine learning, deep learning, data analytics, and big data engineer. Sanjay, but actually I really don't know what is the difference between AI or ML. I really don't know what is the difference between data analytics and data science. I really don't know why these people are getting higher salary. I really don't know what is the difference between machine learning and deep learning. So guys, if you guys have these thoughts running in your mind, you just post yes Sanjay in your live chat. Or you just post confused Sanjay in your live chat. This is the major people's problem. Sanjay, I really don't know what is the difference. I really don't know how they are getting higher salary and what they are really doing in their office, why they are getting higher salary. So these thoughts, if you are having these thoughts running in your mind, you just post yes Sanjay in your live chat. Yes, a lot of people are posting yes. Abdul and Madhu Tej, Mukesh and confused Arnav and Lokesh and Family Tube and Madhu Tej and Ram Kumar and Kishin, Shwati. Lot of people are posting yes. So let me tell you a story. So shall I tell you a story to uncover what is the difference between this data analytics and data scientist? Okay. So if you are ready to listen to the story, if you are happy to listen to the story, you just post I'm happy Sanjay in your live chat. First of all, thank you so much for the people who all keep on responding to my like message posting in the live chat. Thank you so much for keeping on doing that. So yes, you just imagine one scenario, just try to compare or whatever, you just do it. Okay, so let me tell you a story. Okay, so what the story is, you just imagine a kind of scenario where you are living in a city, right? You might be like, it might be you might work, you might be in some or state like Delhi or Pune or Mumbai or Tamil Nadu, whatever. Okay, so you are living in some state where there is gonna be one good restaurant. Okay, that restaurant has been launched in the year of 2010. Okay, just imagine. I hope you all with me, guys. If you all with me, you just post with you Sanjay in your live chat. So you are living in that state where there is one 5-star hotel or whatever. It might be a restaurant, might be anything. So where there is one restaurant, that restaurant which has been started in the year of 2020. Okay, sorry, 2010. Okay, so 2010, which has been started in the year of 2010. So from the 2010 to 2015, the restaurant ran very well. Okay, lot of customers came and the restaurant got a huge sales, and the restaurant ran very well. But in between, what happened was the restaurant is not running well. After 2015, the restaurant is not running well. So in that scenario, he used to think, the owner I'm speaking about, the owner is thinking, I really don't know why the restaurant is not getting enough customer. I don't know why the restaurant is not running well. I'm not getting enough sales. The people are coming and the people are going. They are not taking a lot of food. Okay, I think this dish is not good. So what I'll do is I'll change the chef. Okay, the restaurant is removing or firing the chef and putting the new chef, and they are just waiting for the results. Again, the restaurant is poor. And what he is thinking is, I think nearby some restaurant is being launched. So that's why the restaurant is running well, not running well. So likewise, if the restaurant owner is making the decision by himself, just thinking, okay, this might be the problem, let us change this. Okay, this might be the problem, let us change this. Okay, this might be the problem, let us change this. So likewise, that restaurant owner keep on changing whatever he is just thinking. Okay, it is the poorest way of making or doing a business. Are you clear? So if you are clear, you just post I'm clear Sanjay in your live chat. So that is the poorest way of making a business, because he used to make some emotional decisions. Okay, for an example, you just imagine a scenario. Okay, same thing like Excel number data. Okay, so that restaurant owner have maintained their data like this. Okay, so tons and tons of Excel sheet. How many dosas were being sold? How many idlis or chapatis or roti, whatever the transactional information he used to kept in some Excel sheet or CSV file or notepad file, which has been kept in the Google Drive or pen drive or hard disk or whatever the cloud services. So they have maintained their data properly, but even though they have maintained the data properly, they used to do lot of emotional decisions. Okay, this might be the problem, let us change this. Okay, this might be the problem, let us change this. This might be the problem, let us change this. That is the poorest way of doing a business. So that's why they will be recruiting one person called business analyst or data analyst or data scientist, who will be converting this type of existing past data into this format. Okay, that type of person, that type of data which has been converted into this type, where so then they can able to make decision based on the data. So whenever you are making the decision based on the data, where your decision or your action which is gonna improve the business. Are you clear? If you are satisfied with my explanation, you just post I'm satisfied Sanjay in your live chat. That is what the role of business analyst or data analyst or data scientist, where they'll be analyzing the data which is in the format like this, and they'll be getting the insights from the data, where they'll be solving the business problem. So that's why they are getting higher salary. Okay, are you clear? So for example, you just imagine one company is 100 crore of company. Okay, so 100 crore of company, that company is 100 crore company, where that 100 crore company which is getting the sale has been dropped, and from the 100 crore to on the next year that company got 95 crores, 5 crores has been lost. So if that is the scenario, and if they are recruiting these kind of people like a team of data analyst and team of data scientist or team of business analyst, where that people are analyzing the whole complete data and they are giving, this is the problem why this 5 crore has been lost, this is the problem why this 5 crores has been lost. Likewise, they are giving lot of suggestions, and after that company is improving their the problem, that improving that that mistake which has been already done, they are just solving it one by one based on the data. And from the 100 crore company, if it is achieving 105 crores on the next year, definitely they can give that amount to the people, right, who used to solve that problem, who used to help to solve the problem. Okay, so guys, if you are satisfied with my explanation, you just post I'm happy Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so these people used to get the past existing data like this. It might be Excel sheet, it might be notepad file or whatever. So this is more clumsy data. They'll be analyzing the whole data and they'll be getting to in terms of dashboards. So they'll be making a decision for the past days, for the past 5 years. So the same restaurant example, for the past 5 years, the restaurant rating were very well from the 2010 to 2015, but in the 2016 your ambience rating were gone 4.5 to 3.2. So that is what the kind of decisions. And while talking about the transactional data, on in the 2015 up to on the 2015, your visitors were around 50 lakh or 10 lakh visitors, whereas in 2016 your visitors were enormously dropped, which is around 6 lakhs. Okay, so or 10 to 6 lakhs. Okay, that kind of decisions, that kind of insights, they'll be taken from the data that will help to solve the business problem. That is why they are getting higher paying salary. Okay, are you clear? Okay, if you are clear and happy, you just post I'm happy. Thank you so much, Shumanta, for posting happy with some fire emojis. Whenever you are seeing emojis, like that really spread that vibe inside the people. Thank you so much for posting that emoji. Okay, so that is what is all about. Okay, taking a data driven decision whenever you are running a business. I think here a lot of people might become an entrepreneur. Always keep this in your mind. Don't make emotional decisions, always make data driven decisions. So that will be really help to solve every problem within a very short span of time. Otherwise you will be going into test and trial, testing for pass or fail, testing pass and fail, testing pass or fail. So likewise you need to do lot of stuff. So that is what the role of these people. Now you will have a confusion. Okay, Sanjay, you told like they'll be converting this type of data into this type and they'll be giving the solution to the business. They'll be getting the insights from the data and those things. Okay, fine. But what is the difference between data analyst or business analyst? Guys, let me tell you the first differentiation between data analyst and business analyst. Data analyst will just sticking onto the data. They won't go very in depth on the business. Okay, what is happening on the business and is it being affected by the companies running nearby? So data analyst won't worry about the business. They'll simply wanted to have the understanding about the data. That's it. They'll be getting the insights by discussing with the like management or whatever. But business analyst will go in depth on the business. What type of business it is? A product based or is it a service based, or it might be a digital product based. So likewise they'll be going into the business. But what is the uniqueness of what is the similarity of this data analyst and business analyst is they'll be analyzing the past data to get the insights from the data in terms of dashboards or visualization. So that is what the role of data analyst or business analyst. Business analyst will little bit go in depth on the business. So that's what the thing. On the other hand, Sanjay, while comparing with the data analyst, why this data scientists are getting higher paying salary? What is the reason is they'll be predicting the future as well. Okay, by using a machine learning algorithms, they'll be predicting the future. So that's why they are getting high salary than a data analyst. Okay, so guys, if you are really happy to being here, you just post I'm happy, Sanjay. I understood clearly, Sanjay. Whatever you really want, you just share in your live chat. So data analyst or business analyst will analyze the past data to get the insight from the data. Data scientist will predict the future as well because they need to master machine learning and deep learning kind of algorithms. So that's why they are getting higher paying salary. Okay, are you clear? Okay, so are you all satisfied with my first section of explanation? Because it gave you the clear idea about what is the difference between data analyst and business analyst, and what is the difference between data analyst, business analyst versus data scientist, right? So this is what the role. Okay, this is why they are getting higher pay salary, because they are solving a business problem. They are finding out the problem. They are getting insights of the data, the whole complete data. So that is what the thing. Now let us see the hierarchy. So this is what the hierarchy is. While talking about, there is the biggest circle called AI. Inside the AI, we have machine learning. Inside the machine learning, we have a deep learning. On the other hand, we have a data science as the biggest circle. Inside the data science, we have data analytics. Inside the data analytics, we have data mining. Okay. On the other hand, we have a big data as the bigger circle. Okay. So while talking about data science, it is going to take some part from the AI circle. While talking about the AI, it is also going to take some part from the data science circle. Okay, so everything is gonna be interlinked. Other than that, you're gonna have lot of opportunities. While talking about the opportunity, you can become a deep learning engineer, you can become a machine learning engineer, you become a data engineer, you become a data miner, you can become a data analyst, you can become a data scientist. So likewise, you have wide varieties of opportunities. Okay, are you clear about the hierarchy? If you are clear about the hierarchy, you just post I'm clear Sanjay in a live chat. Sudhir posted not happy. Okay, some people are posting not understand. Guys, let me tell you again, only for the people who posted not understood. There is a business running and the business is not running well. Instead of making an emotional decision, they need to take a data driven decision. To make a data driven decision, that data is going to be initially like clumsy and Excel sheet or notepad file. The data is going to be like this. You just imagine whenever you are ordering, I need 5 rotis and 1 paneer butter masala, whatever. So that will be printed in the billing system. They'll be putting a printer. That data is going to be kept in their database. So whatever the data for 5 years means 5 years the data is going to be maintained. And whenever data analyst will coming into the company, they'll be collecting the whole complete data and they'll be creating a dashboard like this. So whenever they are creating a dashboard like this, by just observing the graph, you just see here, this is the best example. Whenever they are just observing the graph, here in the opportunity code, some east direction, we have more sales, something I think so. Okay, east. So they'll be giving high priority for the east region. When there is very less on the west, so they won't spend more amount on the west region. So which will start from the general analyst to the marketing team to get the insights. Because for an example, you just imagine the scenario. You just having the facial product company. So you are running a Fair and Lovely company. Okay, just imagine the scenario. You are running a Fair and Lovely company. So the Fair and Lovely company sales data are like this. So you got sales from India, you got sales from US, Russia, Bulgaria, and likewise you got sales from a lot of countries and a lot of cities and those stuff. While talking about the data, you are gonna have a data like this. But if your marketing team is asking, which country should I focus on? In which country should I invest more money? So if you are just seeing the data, you can't get any decision. You can't make any decision. But if this data is converted into this way, so from this part itself, you can able to make a decision by just seeing, okay, so in this country, we got more sales. In this region, we got more sales. In this gender, so while talking about the Fair and Lovely, so it is a old product. I really know. I'm an old person, you know. So yeah, so where this is the product means, so women consumed more women from the women gender, we got more sales. So likewise, they can able to make a decision and they can give that data to the marketing team and to the management to improve the sales. Guys, are you clear now? I have explained completely again for you. If you are clear now, you just post I'm clear now, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, the people who have posted I'm not clear, Sanjay, you just post I'm clear now. Okay, so guys, the people who are all posting attendance, and if you are really coming only for the attendance, you can leave the session because this is not a right place for you. Because attendance is just like what is it? Just for certificate, it is useless until you are skillful. So don't rush off for the attendance, guys, please. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much. A lot of people are posting clear now. Thank you so much. Okay. So now let us go little bit in depth on AI. Are you ready? So if you are ready, you just post I'm ready. Thank you so much, Pounds Michael, for posting lovely. And please call me Sanjay, guys. No need to call sir. Please call me Sanjay. Okay. A lot of people are posted. I'm clear now, Sanjay. Now, Sanjay. Thank you so much for posting this, guys. Okay. So now let me ask you another question. So guys, you guys tell me, what are all the AI movies you guys have watched so far? You just give your comments in the live chat. What are all the AI movies you guys have watched so far? That's my question. Just give your comments in the live chat. Okay, so why I'm asking this question is, you might have watched lot of AI movies. Yes, we got a reply from Sarvesh, Marvel movies. That's awesome. And Fast X, okay, and Tron, Terminator, and Ex Machina, and AI Gut, Iron Man, and Robot and Robot 2.0, and DC movies, and Avatar, Age of Ultron, Robocop, Jawas, City 2.0, Endiran, and Transformers. You people are really awesome, guys. Thank you so much for giving the reply. Whenever you are watching those movies, what you have watched, how you have identified that is a AI. It is a machine. It's just having that nuts and bolts, some robot, which it can able to perform the same action which humans are doing, and it is also going to be an enhanced version on doing calculations, on fighting, on dancing, or thinking. So on that wise, it is going to be the enhanced version of the human being, right? So now let us compare a human being with the robot. Okay, you just imagine as a human being, guys. Whenever, okay, let me ask you another question. You are hungry. Okay, you all hungry now. You don't have anything to eat in your room, in your house. If your neighborhood is something cooking, if your neighborhood is cooking something delicious, it might be biryani or it might be some sweet, gulab jamun or whatever. What is gonna be your emotions? You just share in terms of emojis in the live chat. Because, so you just share your emotions, guys. First of all, let you just share it in the live chat. Because as a human being, we have that analyzing ability. Okay. Abhiyodhan, thank you so much for posting perfect Sanjay. So yes, Karin posted that fire emoji. Some emoji, and Mayank posted that emoji. Yes, a lot of people are posting that. Mouth watering. Yes, Pratibha. Yes, that's awesome. Yes, thank you so much, guys. Okay, so yes, whenever we are sensing that smell, okay, it's biryani. I really needed a biryani, so let us take the mobile. Let us book it in the Zomato or Swiggy. Let us book the biryani or whatever we really need. Right? So that's what usual thing is happening. So as a human being, you can analyze something and you can identifying a pattern in it and you can make a decision. Like for an example, whenever you are going into the laboratories in your colleges, some people used to have unwashed socks. So we used to sense it. Okay, someone wearing unwashed socks. So we are getting that smell, or some people are not bathed at all, so some bad smell is coming, and some etc thing. So we can able to sense it, and we can able to sense the difference between the biryani smell and the gulab jamun smell, or this unwashed sock smell. You know, like so you have that ability, right? It might be a smell. It might be a taste. Even I've closed your eyes. If I'm giving gulab jamun to you, you can able to tell that is a gulab jamun. So that is the sensing ability. Like it might be a taste, it might be a smell, it might be a vision. For an example, if you are just seeing this, what you will tell? What is this object? This, guys. You just give your comments in the live chat. What you are seeing here in the live in the camera? It is nothing but a book. How you are identifying this a book? Because from your birth time or from your childhood, you have seen wide varieties of books. How the books looks like. It is gonna have the cover like this. It is gonna cover at the end like this, and in between it is gonna have lot of papers like this. And you guys have seen in this angle. You guys have sawn in this angle. You guys have sawn in this angle. You guys have sawn in this angle. You can have sawn in this angle. So you have this knowledge, right? So you can able to identify the pattern between book and then pen. So whatever the model of book or whatever the model of pen which I'm showing to you, you can able to tell this is a pen. So because you have that knowledge. So that's what I'm telling you. While talking about the AI or artificial intelligence or whatever, you have, for an example, if your age is 18, if your age is 20, for the 20 years, you guys have smelled a lot of dishes or some sort of smell, and you have tasted a lot of dishes. You have saw a lot of objects like book or whatever, and you have felt a lot of climate when you have visited Himalayas or some Ooty or Kodaikanal or whatever, or in your city the hot climate. So you have sent something. So you have that knowledge. I'm not talking about your programming knowledge, your communication knowledge, your skills. I'm talking about the general knowledge, not about like GK. It's about the smell, taste, or vision. So these are all the as a human's basic ability which human can have, right? So that's human ability. Let us compare the first ability. Human can analyze, identify pattern, and make a decision. That's what I told you. It might be a taste, or it might be a smell, or whatever. So for human being, we have sensory organs. For robot, we can put up a sensors. Whenever you are putting up a sensor, you will be getting a numerical value from the sensors. And there, you need to use the concepts such as machine learning and deep learning to transfer this analyzing, identifying pattern, and making a decision, this ability to a robot. If you want to transfer this ability to a robot, you need machine learning or deep learning. Are you clear? So if you're clear and if you're really loving this, you just post love this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay. So Ajmal, please don't spam for attendance link. Otherwise, you'll be getting banned from this YouTube channel. Don't do that. Last final warning I'm just giving for every people, guys. Don't do that. Okay. If you are coming for the attendance, you can leave the session. Okay. So yes, just numerical data. Okay. That is what the first ability. Human can analyze, identify pattern, and make a decision. If you want to transfer this ability to a robot, you need machine learning and deep learning. That's what the first thing. And the second thing, human can listen and speak. Yes, of course, because when I'm talking, you can listen to me, right? So, and you guys tell me what is the common thing which we need to have to understand and to reply back. If we want to have mutual communication, you just give your comments in the live chat. What is the common thing we require in your live chat? Just give it in the comment chat. Okay. So I can listen and I can speak. As a human being, we have ear and we have mouth and we have brain to process the language. If you people are speaking in Kannada, or if you are speaking in Gujarati, or if you are speaking in some other languages which I don't know, I don't understand. So what is the common thing which we require in common? We require, yes, a lot of people answered it right. Language is the common thing required. So human can listen and human can speak. So if you need to transfer this ability to a robot, for the robot, you can put up a microphone and speaker. Are you clear? Is it amazing, guys? If you are really feeling it's amazing, you just post it's amazing Sanjay in your live chat. So you will be putting speaker and a microphone. Here the data are gonna be image or audio data. If you are having this type of data, this type of functionality, if you want to transfer to the robot, you need the concepts such as machine learning and deep learning. Of course, it is mandatory because analyzing, identifying a pattern and making a decision in a language as well. So it is mandatory. But additionally, you need NLP. NLP is nothing but natural language processing. This is the one of the which is very important concept which you really want to master in the category of AI. So okay. So whenever the language is in your application or in your problem statement, you need NLP. And third ability of a human being, human can see and recognize. You can able to see this and you can able to tell me this is a book, and you can able to see this and you can able to tell me this is a pen. You can able to see this water bottle and you can able to tell me this is a water bottle. Human can see and recognize. As a human being, we have eyes, and for robot we can put up a camera, and the data are going to be image or video data. If you are having this type of problem, you will be using the concepts such as computer vision and deep learning to transfer this ability to a robot. Okay. So guys, are you feeling satisfied? So if you are really happy, you just post your comments in the live chat. I am super happy, or whatever you just want to express, you just comments in your live chat. Pratibha posted screen is blur. I think it is because of your internet. Please check your internet. From my side, everything is clear. Okay. So this is what it's all about. Let me give you the quick overview. Whenever there is analyzing, identifying a pattern and making a decision, it might be for image, it might be for text, it might be for audio, it might be for numerical data. You need a concept such as what? Machine learning and deep learning. Whenever your problem statement is having language which is involved, then you need additional concepts such as NLP, natural language processing. Whenever your problem statement is having image or video type of data, you need computer vision, and instead of machine learning, moreover, you'll be using deep learning. So that is what the concepts. Okay, these are all some very core important branches of AI. Okay, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, computer vision, and those stuff. Okay, deep learning is nothing but subset of the machine learning, which is little advanced than a machine learning. That's it. Okay, so that is what is all about the AI category. Okay, so how many of you people really got interest to pursue a career in the field of AI? So if you guys have got that interest, you just post, I'm super interested, Sanjay, in a live chat. Love that, bro. Super, fully satisfied. Thank you so much, Omkar, for posting that. Okay, so thank you, thank you. Data scientists who used to predict the future, they'll be working with machine learning and deep learning. Those people are said to be a data scientist. Okay, this is what it's all about. Now, how many of you people are having some questions running in your mind? Sanjay, if I want to master this, if I want to get that salary, which is high paying salary, I want to become a data scientist, what is the roadmap to become a data scientist? How many of you people wanted to know? If you wanted to know, you just post I wanted Sanjay in your live chat. So before that, let me cover you some parts. So guys, let me tell you something. If you are choosing this field, you have lot wide varieties of opportunities. Okay, for an example, let me start something, like let me begin with the new point. For an example, if you love to work with image or video data, okay, you have tons and tons of opportunities, like you can become computer vision engineer, or you can become a deep learning engineer. Okay, Sanjay, I don't want to solve a business problem. I don't want to work in their Excel sheet. I always wanted to work in that image or video data. On the time, you can use this, or you can study for computer vision engineer or deep learning engineer. Okay, are you clear? So if you are clear, you just post I'm clear, Sanjay, in your live chat. If you are clear with the first way to pursue a career. Okay, so for an example, let me show you some video to you guys. Okay, guys, are you all ready to see some video? So I hope every people will be excited by to just watch a video. So if you all excited, you just post I'm excited, Sanjay, in your live chat. Yes, let me show the video. Wait a minute, guys. Ad is running, nothing but ad is running here. Yes, I got the video now. Yes, you just see here. So this is what I really wanted to share with you guys. You just see here, this is the autonomous vehicle view. How the vehicle is visualizing the real world. Okay, you just see here from the beginning. Let me play it again. So you just see here, lane detection has been applied. Okay, and the road sign detection, the stop sign has been detected, and the vehicle detection has been applied. Okay, and yes, it is just traveling. So you just see here, traffic light signal has been detected, right? So likewise, this is what, if you really want to work in such type of images or audio, it is not only about autonomous vehicle, guys. It might be satellite image analysis, or it might be like, let me give you like project examples. It might be like autonomous vehicles. Okay, it might be like a medical image analysis. So the people who are all studied biomedical, they can choose this one. And if you are like communication department, satellite image analysis, okay, or you can work with so these are all under the image or video category. Okay, so guys, from that list, how many of you people want to choose your career in the like image or video category itself? If you are choosing this, you just post I chose image, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, this is one of the opportunity. And second opportunity, if you really wanted to work as, if your data or text or audio. Okay, so for an example, let us, you have opportunities like NLP engineer. Okay, or you'll be working as like what is it, voice assistants, or it might be a chatbot developer, or so these are all the things, or audio analyst, or kind of Okay, so these are all the things. Okay, so voice assistance or audio analysis, so these are all the roles. And while talking about the project, you can work as like to create a chat bot, or you can work as to create what is a voice assistant device, for an example like Google assistants or Amazon Alexa or iPhone Siri. So voice assistants, or you can work with some NLP special projects, like for an example you might know the ALS patients. So ALS means amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, where the people can't able to read properly. Let me show you an example. For an example, if I want to read this, if I'm a ALS patient, how they'll read this? Post to audio, NLP engineer, voice assistant chatbot, audio analysis. They can't able to pronounce it properly. Okay, so the voice is not going to be clear because the mouth and everything is going to be paralyzed. They can't able to talk properly. On that way, where you can become a NLP engineer, where you will be collecting the data of that person who used to talk. For an example, if that the word is text or audio, if they are pronouncing like text or audio, so if that text is like that, you will be analyzing that and you will be mapping into text or audio. So you can put up the device to the person, and if the person is text or audio, your device will automatically translate into text or audio. Do you really like this? If you really love to being here, you just post I love this Sanjay in your lecture, guys. So this is what the project which is under the category of text or audio. So you can become a NLP engineer. Okay, so and then of course we have the general data or solving business problems. Okay, so under the business problem you have the category like data or business analyst, whereas we have another option called data scientist, or if you want to work only in the data, just you can work as like a data engineer, or you can work as like a big data engineer. Okay, but data scientist is going to be the top here. Okay, so this is what you need to master. But here in the data scientist, apart from the visualization skills, you also need to have a skills like ML and DL algorithms. Okay, but for the data analyst or business analyst, that ML or deep learning algorithm is not needed. Just visualization skill is enough. Okay, other than the databases and those stuff is required. So likewise, these are all the problem based on that, and you're going to solve their business problem. Okay, guys, how many of you people have got 100% clarity on these studies? Okay, so that's why I just told you, you have wide varieties of opportunities. There are a lot of job roles which you can able to apply for. So let me unfold it. You just see here: sales analyst, operation analyst, customer success analyst, market research analyst, machine learning engineer, data architect, data scientist, cloud architect, cybersecurity analyst, business analyst, statistician, data scientist, data engineer. So likewise, there are a lot of job roles which you can able to apply for. So these are all the opportunities, guys. So how many of you people want to grab this? Sanjay, yes, I want this. At least I want to try this out. I really don't know, Sanjay, whether I'm going to become a data scientist or data analyst, but at least, Sanjay, I want to try this. At least, Sanjay, I want to work with database. At least I want to try BI tools. I want to try data visualization. I need to try Excel data visualization. I need to try Power BI data visualization. I need to try Tableau data visualization. I need to try machine learning. I need to try deep learning. I need to try chatbot. I need to try these stuff, Sanjay. How many of you people want to try these parts? So that's why I am going to reveal the roadmap to become a data scientist. If you guys want to become a data scientist, what are the skills you need to master is, first of all, you need to master Excel. Yes, Excel is not the tool which you are thinking like just put up a numbers, that's okay. No, it's not that. You can do a lot of automations. You can do a lot of visualizations. So Excel is the first tool which you need to master. And second tool which you need to master is statistics. So while talking about the statistics thing which you all remember, I think so, like mean, median, standard deviation. How many of you will remember that? If you remember that, you just post, I remember Sanjay in your live chat. Like mean, median, standard deviation and those stuff. So statistical skills. And while talking about the programming, there are a lot of options for the programming. You can choose Python or R or C++. But my suggestion, initially first go for the Python, get a job, and later upgrade yourself to R programming. First, initially, don't begin with R programming, start Python programming. And data visualization skills. How your graphs are looking like. For an example, let me show you some example like okay, you just see this one. The dashboard looks so clumsy, right? The color contrast which is being used here is very like not that much good, right? This is like worst designing, okay, designing like dashboarding, data visualization skills, how we are visualizing the data. And here we have another tool which you need to master. Some libraries which you need to master is NumPy and Pandas library, which are like type of Python libraries which will be helping to pass the or process the data. And BI tools like Power BI and Tableau. So these are all very most important business intelligence tools to get the job. Even we have a case studies where the person who only mastered Power BI, he is working with some amount of the salary, which is really good, decent salary, which he is getting 30,000 to 35,000 takeaway just by mastering only one tool. So BI tools and database skills like MySQL or MongoDB, and machine learning skills and deep learning skills. So these are all the roadmap to become a data scientist. So if you want to take a snap of it or take a screenshot of it, just take a screenshot. I'll be giving you 30 seconds time. Okay. If you took a snap, you just post, I took Sanjay in your live chat. Rakshit Adhikari, you have asked a wonderful question that let me answer it later. NLU is nothing but natural language understanding. NLG is nothing but natural language generation. That I'll tell you later. Okay. On the Q&A section. So if you took a snap of this, you just post, I took Sanjay in your live chat. So how many of you people want to master this? If you want to master this, you just post, yes, Sanjay in your live chat. Just give the emojis, some fire emojis. Yes, Sanjay, I want to master this. Okay. Yes, I want to try this new career opportunity. That's awesome. That's awesome. Okay, so yeah, so before that, let me show you something, which is, I think you have already noticed that we used to provide these courses. So that's why we have told you, like under the category of AI or data science itself, we used to provide a lot of courses like AI courses, machine learning course, data analytics course, Python course. So likewise, we used to provide a lot of courses at the price of 1,499. So you just see here, which is amazing, like 30 days course, 30 days internship certificate also you're going to get once you are completing one by one course. But what is the thing is, since you people are here, for the lot of people's pain points are price and lack of confidence and yearning, and is there any vacancy or not, and is there a trusting issues or hesitations or overloading. But we used to provide at the less price, and we used to provide the mindset session, and to provide the high paying job, and like choosing the high demand job, and with a transparent environment, with a community which people are more enthusiastic, and without overloading the content to be very precise. So where we are providing this type of AI internship, in the YouTube, in this 30 days, that is going to be free. As I've already told you, this is going to be free. You're going to get free certificate, webinar certificate. But other than that, if you really need the material of each and every day, which includes source code, data set, trained model file, PPT, everything which you want to get as like a zip files and videos for the lifetime access, and also with e-internship certificate. This is the internship which we are providing. So how many of you people are interested in this internship? So if you are interested in this, you just post, I'm interested, Sanjay, in your live chat. So let me show you. For an example, if you are registering, if you are internship participants, because now you people are webinar participant, right? But other than that, if you are becoming an internship participant, so first of all, you will be getting an access for this portal for lifetime access. So every videos will be like this. Okay, you can click the start and you can watch a video. So here, if you are just seeing here, and if you are clicking this, so here the video will be here. So you can just watch a video where we guys have integrated the chatbot. So without any timing hesitation, because in a YouTube we have only 1 hour time duration, right? Only the first day which is going to be 90 minutes, but other than that, every day which is going to be 1 hour session. But in the internship, we guys have consumed more time to explain a lot more things in detail, and a lot of bonus session which is out there. And if you want to download the attachment, you can go with this assignment and attachment section. You can download the zip file which contains that PowerPoint presentation, PDF, source code, data set, and everything which is needed to be downloaded. And another additional bonuses. which is like the community which you are going to get an access. How many of you people wanted to be in this such type of community? Let me show you the community. Each and every weekends we used to conduct a live session apart from the self-paced video, because these portal like these are all completely self-paced, but most of the people love live sessions. They need live session, they need a personal guidance. So that's why we are conducting this we are having this private social media. You just see here in the events category, we used to conduct lot of Zoom links. So with the Zoom event, each and every Saturday there is a live sessions are there, and you just see here success stories. The people used to get the job and they used to post it in this success stories. I would like to thank Pantech Solutions and Sanjay for awesome masterclass of Python, AI and Raspberry Pi. Helped me to crack a job in the Raspberry Pi developer. Still I am excited to learn more further to improve myself. They used to share their success stories and some fun and games which is gonna be there. And if you are visiting the bronze membership, you can able to see a lot of people are posting their responses. Their people used to get the results. That's what the very important thing I really want to share. You just see here, Lalit Kumar have created one dashboard. Okay, and you just see here Benama Zakia have created some dashboard. Okay, so likewise it is like a hackathon where we used to conduct, so where they'll be doing and they'll be posting in this social media. So how many of you people wanted to be in this private community? If you wanted to be in this private community, you just post yes Sanjay I wanted. So yes, this single internship, AI masterclass, 30 days internship, 1 month internship, yes you can call it in this way. So 1 month online internship which we are providing at the price of 1,499 with the sample internship certificate which I'm showing right now for you. But what is the thing is, the people who are all still here, we are going to provide 4 courses as a combo. Number 1 is Python Bootcamp, which is dedicated only for the Python, and machine learning course, which is a 30 days course again, which is completely focused onto the machine learning, where you'll be building 28 plus projects, and AI masterclass, which is a 30 days again course, the 30 days which you are currently in, and data analytics, which is also another 30 days course, which we are providing the based on the roadmap, which starts from Excel, Python, statistics, BI tools like Power BI and Tableau, database like MySQL and MongoDB, and machine learning and deep learning, and it ends with NLP. So these are the 4 courses. How many of you people really interested in this 4 courses as a complete combo? Because this 4 courses which will be giving you the complete insight, where you'll be building more than here there are 25 plus projects, and here there are 28, which is 40, 48 and 53 projects, and here you're gonna have around 5 plus project, 53 and 58 plus projects, and here this is all conceptual wise, where you'll be building little projects on each and every tools, which is tool oriented, where you'll be more than getting like around 55 plus projects in your hand as a zip file, source code, PPT, PDF, data set, trained model file, and 4 internship certificate, and lifetime access for those videos, and lifetime access for the private community. So everything you are going to get. Okay, so if you really need that, yes, we are providing this 4 courses. So as a combo, AI masterclass, machine learning masterclass, data analytics masterclass, Python masterclass. So 4 certificate, 4 internship certificate with the lifetime access, which we are providing at the price of only 2,999 rupees only. Okay, and let us go back to the session again. And if you are really excited to build the chatbot, how many of people ready to create a chatbot? If you are excited to create a chatbot, you just post I'm excited Sanjay in a live chat. Okay, so you just imagine this, guys, because we are providing the single course at the price of it's 1,499. Okay, the 4 courses, the price is gonna be around 5,496, but we are providing at the price of 2,999 only. Okay, so I hope you really love this offer. If you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so that is what it's all about. Okay, now let us go back to our creating a chatbot. But wait a minute. Let me tell you something. It is just a little, just pre-sale or whatever. But this is our, after 3 months, we are starting this series, this 30-day series. So that's why I can't able to provide at the price of 2,999. So that's why what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete one number from this price amount. So what is the number which I'm going to delete it? I'm going to delete the 2 out there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide this 4 courses at the price of just 999 rupees. Okay, so I hope you really love this offer. So what is the very important thing is I'm going to give this offer only just for 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm just going to reveal it. Yes, I've just released it here. Okay, the price which you are offering at the price of just 999 rupees only. Okay, so instead of providing at the price of around the price of around 2000 and 999, now I'm going to provide this 4 courses at the price of just 999. Okay, so that's what yes, we can provide just right now. So the link which is going to be shared in the live chat. So now I'm also going to turn on my countdown timer just for 30 minutes. Okay, yes, I think I just started. Yes, 30 minutes has been started. This 4-in-1 combo just at the rupees of 999. You can just register for this 4-in-1 combo. Okay, so yes, that's all done. So now let us begin our chatbot creation journey. Okay, hope you all excited. So if you all excited, you just post I'm excited, Sanjay, in your live chat. So now to create a chatbot, first of all, to create a chatbot, there are a lot of ways. Okay, so this is going to be very simple because we are not going to go very in depth on creating a chatbot, because to create a chatbot using a programming, you need machine learning skills, you need Python programming skill, you need that language processing skills. So you need more skill to create a chatbot with the programming. So now we are a beginner, so that's why we are not stepping onto that, but later we can move on to it. But now we are not going with the detailed chatbot creation through the programming, but instead I'm going to give you one childish shortcut. Okay, even you can teach this to your kids. Okay, if you have kids who is studying 8th standard or 5th standard, they can able to create this chatbot. So how many of you people are really excited to create the chatbot? Okay, if you are excited to create the chatbot, you just post I'm excited, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, so yes, now let me show you what you just do is, I think some people are having the laptop with you. If you don't have, just see and you just practice later. Just type Google Dialogflow. Okay, so this is by using this Google Dialogflow, we are going to create a chatbot. Okay, so how many of you people are really here? Yes, excited. That's awesome. A lot of people have posted this. And guys, if you have registered for the internship, you just post I registered, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, so only 28 minutes left. And another very important thing, the people who have registered for single courses already, they are going to get automatically upgraded to the rest of the 3 courses. Don't worry about it. Okay, so only I am going to run this offer for only 30 minutes. Okay, just grab the offer before it ends. Okay, yes, let us create the chatbot. Just notice down. So the chatbot, okay, let me keep it in here. Okay, so what you are going to do is, so you just type this Dialogflow console google.com. So dialogflow.cloud.google.com. This is the URL. So let me give this URL to you. So in the live chat, you just click the URL or you just save it. Okay, I've given the link in the live chat. Okay, wait a minute. Let me delete my previous chatbot. Okay, so you just create an account and you just get this page. Okay, so if you have got this page, you just post IGT Sanjay in your live chat. So this is the URL, dialogflow.cloud.google.com. Dialogflow.cloud.google.com. Kofi Prince, thank you so much for posting. Great lesson. Okay, so yes, just visit dialogflow.cloud.google.com. Benjamin John, if I register for this 4-in-1 course now, can I start them anytime? Yes, you can start at any time because it's a lifetime validity. It's very limited. I'm not going to give after 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm going to deactivate the link. So if you really want, this is the right time to get this offer. Okay, yes. So once you have got this page, what is the first thing you need to do is, let us create an agent. Okay, you just click the create agent and here it is asking agent name. Okay, so what the agent name is, here you need to give the agent name like I'm going to give the name like pizza bot. Okay, so now you guys tell me what the name you are going to give for your own chatbot. Okay, you just give your comments in the live chat. So what is the name which I kept for your chatbot? Okay, so I just given the name called pizza bot and create that agent. That's what the first step. If you are clear with the first step, you just post C1 Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, Kavita, I paid and registered, congratulations. And Devika, congratulations. And Abubakar, congratulations. And yes, a lot of people are registering. And Paramasibam, congratulations. And yes, a lot of people are giving their chatbot name. That's awesome. Okay, yes, that's great. That's great. Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay. Okay, now once you guys have created an agent, okay, so the agent is nothing but your chatbot's name. So your chatbot's name, which you are going to create it just by giving the name like pizza bot or whatever. So that's it. Okay, that's what agent name which we guys have given like pizza bot. Okay. Okay, are you clear? Okay, so guys, I'll be giving you one like 2 minutes time gap. So you just get this page. Okay, so please give that. Yes, I think you can able to hear me now. Okay, yes, I'm really sorry, guys. Okay, so my mic is turned off. Yeah, so that's what the thing. Okay, so we are going to create a agent name. So agent name is nothing but pizza bot. This is nothing but we are giving a name for our chatbot. So that's that. Okay, I hope you are clear. Okay, so again I'm telling you. So 22 minutes were left. We are used. If you are even visiting our official website, we used to provide single course at the price of 1499. But now we are providing 4 courses at the price of 999. This is the right time. Just click that link and grab those 4 courses for the lifetime validity and lifetime access. Okay, yeah, that's what it's all about. So once you have created intents, now what you are going to do is, let us go for the small talk. Okay, so just go to the small talk, and in the small talk option, first of all, you need to enable the small talk option. So once you have enabled it, here there is an option called about agent, where there are a lot of questions under a lot of different categories like about agent, courtesy, emotions, hello, goodbye, about user, confirmation. So likewise, there are a lot of questions out there. So from that, if you are clicking about agent, just try to give the answer for those questions, some pre-built questions. Okay, so the questions are, who are you? If someone is asking who are you to your chatbot, so what is the reply your chatbot need to give? So that is what it's asking. Okay, so for someone is asking who are you means my chatbot want to answer like wait a minute, I am a chatbot. Okay, or else alternative reply you can give like I am pizza bot. Okay, so likewise you can make different multiple answers for some pre-built questions. Okay, are you clear? And if someone is asking how old are you to your chatbot, you can answer like, your chatbot can answer like, I am a chatbot, you idiot. Okay. So likewise, you can add a lot of funny replies for a lot of questions, because it's not only about the agent. Under the courtesy, if someone is asking great, you can put up a reply like cool. Okay. So likewise, you can add and you can complete up. Okay. It's funny. Okay. So it's up to you. Okay. So it's up to you if you want to complete it or don't want to complete it. It's up to you. You can just complete. So if someone is asking or telling you good evening, so you can just put up like good eve. Okay. So how many of people are really thinking it's super easy? Okay. So if you are really feeling like it's super easy, you just post it's super easy, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay. So likewise, you just try to put some pre-built answers. I'm very angry right now. If someone is asking, if someone is telling like this, you can put up, I'm sorry. Okay. So yeah. So likewise, try to fill up the answers for some small talks and click save. So once you have clicked save, then in the right hand side, there is an option called try it now. So in the try it now option, you can check your chatbot by just typing like hello. Ta-da! So now you just see here, it's telling you, hi, how are you doing? So that's what your chatbot is automatically asking to you. So now, let me ask, who are you? Okay. So you just see here, I am pizza bot. This is what the reply which we guys have configured already. So that's what the same reply it is giving. So thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting. I'm sure it's super easy, super easy. Divesh Care, congratulations. You have registered for the internship. Guys, a lot of people are registering for it. So other participants, don't waste your time, and this is the right time, right opportunity. You just click that link and register for it. Okay. So just pay 999 and you'll be getting access for the portal learn.pantech.net. You can watch a video today itself. Other than that, you'll be having live sessions on every Saturdays. Okay. Yes, that's it. We guys have done. And now, and again, if you want to check another questions like how old are you? It's not mean that you need to ask exact question. You can just modify a little bit, but it will learn. That's what the AI running behind. It will learn from the words which you are giving. So how old are you? If you are giving how old are you, you just see here, it's giving the reply like, I'm a chatbot, you idiot. Okay. It's very easy, right? So yes, that's done. Now let us go with the intents. So while talking about the intents, here we have an option called create intent. So while talking about the create intent is nothing but why and what is the purpose of creating a chatbot. Okay, what you guys do is you just try to share whatever the ideas which you have to create a chatbot. For an example, I'm going to create an intent for ordering a pizza. Okay, so I'm going to give the name like order pizza. That's what the intent which I'm going to create, because I'm going to create a chatbot for ordering pizza. So that's why I've given the intent like order pizza. That's it. Okay. And now in the training phase, add the training phase, I'm just going to add some phrases like order pizza. So just click enter. So order pizza training phase has been added. And if you are scrolling down in the responses, give the responses like pizza order is completed. Okay, that's it. Just click save and check your chatbot on the right hand side. Now you can ask in any words, no need to be asked in the same like order pizza. You can ask like order me a pizza. Okay. Okay, let me click save. Okay, let me try order pizza itself, because we need to add a lot of training phrases. So whenever you are giving order pizza, it's giving the response pizza order is completed. Okay, it's not not enough, because we need to add a lot more stuffs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding a lot of question validation, answer validation. So I'm going to get the customer's email ID and phone number, and also I'm going to validate it. How to do that? So let me do that. Order me a pizza to mail ID of, I'm just going to give the format of my mail ID. So Sanjay at gmail.com. This is not need to be your actual, your valid email ID. It might be a dummy email, but it is nothing but the format, how the email ID should look like. It should have some text, and it should have some @ symbol, and it should have that gmail.com. So that's what the format which you are giving. So you can select with your mouse cursor, and in that list you can choose email. Okay, so we have configured the entity, email entity, to this format called sanjay@gmail.com. The entity is email entity. That's it, and click save. Once it has been saved, here there is an option called extract the action and parameter. So here that we have an option like manage parameter and action. If you are enabling this, here that it is like email, so which is asking, so you just want to enable it, and whenever you are enabling it, here there is an option called define prompt. Okay, so click this define prompt, and in the prompt you just give your questions like enter your email ID. Okay, so let me ask like, may I know your email ID? So likewise, you can ask the questions and you can close it and save it. For an example, if you want to check your chatbot on the right hand side, let me put like order me a pizza. Ta-da! So now you just see here, we are getting a questions like, may I know your email ID? It's asking my mail ID. Now, if I'm giving a phone number and if you're clicking an enter, it won't work because we have configured that as an email entity. So it won't work. Even if you are giving alphabet, it won't work. It will ask the same question again and again. Enter your email ID, enter your email ID, enter your email ID again and again, until you are giving the proper format. Now I'm going to give the email ID like champ@gmail.com. Finally, now we got an output like pizza order is completed. Okay, is it good? So guys, is it going good? If it is really nice, you just post it's nice, Sanjay, in your live chat. So that is what the entity we guys have added. Additionally, if you want to add a phone number, you want to add address, you want to add whatever you want, you just add. For an example, let me show you by adding a phone number. Order me a pizza to the number. I'm going to give some funny or dummy number. I'm just going to select the number, and here let me type phone number, PHONE number. So I've added the phone number. Don't forget to click save. Just click save and done. And if you are seeing here, phone number has been here. Now enable it, and in the define prompt and ask the question. Enter your phone number. Okay, so that's what we have given, and that's it. And pizza order is completed. Okay, that's it. And if you want to check it out on the right hand side, let me try order pizza. If I'm giving order pizza, it's asking my mail ID. Now I'm going to give praveen@gmail.com. Okay, that instead of putting a dot, I've just dropped the comma, so that's why it's not working. So praveen@gmail.com. Sorry. See, so it's asking your phone number. Okay, now if you are giving alphabet, it won't work. Okay, enter your phone number again. So if you are giving phone number now, it will work perfectly. Pizza order is completed. Okay, so guys, is it super amazing? If you are really feeling it's like for even kids can do this, you just post it super easy, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, so that is what it's all about. And if you want to add custom entity, guys, you guys tell me what are all the toppings for the pizzas. So shall we add some toppings? Okay, you just give what are all the toppings which we can add it for our pizza. Thank you, Dennis, Sunny, Rohit. Thank you. Ishika, accept your screen. I'm really sorry for that. Okay, create entity. Just go to the entity and click create entity. I'm going to create an entity called toppings, and now I'm going to add the toppings as per your request. Okay. Just give some toppings for the pizza, guys. Okay, just okay, mozzarella. Okay, mozzarella. Then what toppings? It's gonna be cheese. Okay, it's gonna be spicy and tomato and paneer. Okay, so this is all the toppings we have added. Now click save, and what you just do is you just go to the intent again and go to your order pizza intent which we have already created, and here in the training phrase order cheese pizza. Okay, now I'm going to select the cheese and I'm going to choose the topping which we created. Same as like you can add size or whatever the toppings which you want, whatever the entity which you want. So cheese has been added and click save. So toppings is going to be created here, and click here in the prompt, try to give the question, what toppings do you need? Okay, that's what we guys have added. And here you can give another more like pizza with dollar symbol. You can choose the entity, toppings, order is completed. That's it. Click save, and you can check your chatbot on the right hand side. Order pizza, and it's gonna be asking my mail ID, champ@gmail.com, and it's gonna be asking my phone number, and now it's asking my toppings. I hope you really love this. Okay, so cheese and enter. Okay, so toppings do you need? I think spicy. I think I've added. Okay, let me try my entity. Okay, spicy I've added. Okay, just see here, spicy pizza with spicy toppings is completed. Okay, is it clear? Is it amazing? Okay, so that's what it's all about. And if you also want to integrate your chatbot, you can also integrate your chatbot. Here you can go to the web demo, go to the integration and web demo and enable it and click the link, and you will be getting this pop-up. So you can also ask through microphone. So order pizza, email ID which is sanjay@gmail.com, phone number which is I'm giving some dummy number, what toppings I need, spicy toppings. Ta-da! So pizza with spicy toppings order is completed. So if you really enjoyed it, you just post I enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat. And remaining only 8 minutes were left, guys, to register for this 4-in-1 combo at the rupees of 999. And lot of people just rushing for the attendance, guys. With the certificate or with the attendance, with the certificate, you are not going to get anything in your life. Okay, because that certificate is a proof where your interviewer is going to start asking question. So don't rush up. And later we'll on the upcoming days we'll post the attendance link in between itself. But today is the first day where we really wanted to show you the engagement. It's not mean that we are not revealing the attendance link until this time or whatever. Our intention is not to give you a certificate, guys. Our intention is not to make you to fill the attendance. Our intention is to give the value, give the knowledge which we guys have gained, which is the company is expecting. So, and in an easy way as well, because lot of people are getting demotivated by the lecture, because I always stress this, because in my school days or in my college days, I think you also used to agree this, we used to love the subject, not because of the subject, because of the faculty. If the faculty was very fun, and if the faculty is very knowledgeable to deliver the skill in a very easy way, that I always trust that. So that's why we are providing this value for absolutely free. Okay, instead of seeing these people are not giving the attendance link, instead of seeing in the way of perspective, these people are not giving the attendance link, see in the way these people are giving 3rd days live for free with the certificate. So we should have the patience. Okay, so if you are with me in this quote, or if you are with me in this statement, you just post I'm with you Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so this is what it's all about, and still 6 minutes were left. And if you all have time to listen to Program Mind, you can listen to the Program Mind, because it is very, very essential in life, because I always used to discuss about that. So there are 11 points there, but I am going to cover it only 5 points for today. And if you are ready to listen, you just post RTL Sanjay in your live chat, because this is not being taught by schools or colleges, but it is highly needed for your life. That is what the Programming Mind session, which I always share for our community. So if you really need, you just post I will wait Sanjay in your live chat, or I'll listen Sanjay in your live chat. So So other participants, attendance link will be posted very soon. Okay, so you can just fill up the attendance and you can leave. If you are really coming for the attendance, you just leave the session. Don't corrupt other people. Okay, so don't spread negativities. Creators Gaming, don't spread negativities. Okay, so if you are really feeling you didn't get anything in the session, from the session, you didn't get any value from the session, if you are really believing you are not going to do that 30 plus projects under the on the upcoming 30 days, if you are not believing your time was waste, you can leave it. Okay, you can leave and you can do whatever you really want. Okay, so don't try to spread negativities. Okay, if you don't like it, leave it and try to focus what you really want. Okay, so that is what, always keep that in your mind. That's why we have this programming mind session. Okay, shall we begin? So with your permission, if I'm ready to if you are ready, you just post I'm ready, Sanjay, in your live chat. So Nishka posted something. Now you are teaching very fast for course detail, you are giving proper details. Actually, it does not mean that. What is the thing is, in the this YouTube, actually it is only for the 90 minutes, right? So this chatbot is just a bonus session. So that's why we have not taken more time for explaining. Okay, but in our courses, in the portal, we have enough time where we guys have explained in detail. Okay, so that is what the difference between this webinar and then courses. Okay, so ready. Yes, number 1 point, the first point which I really want to share with you. Success is the progressive realization of worthy ideal. Guys, whatever each and every people who are all just watching the live session, you might have lot of problem. Sanjay, I don't have money. I don't have financial like financial wealth, right? I have family problems. You might have lot of problem. So you people are here to achieve something. I need good job. Initially, I need to get 40,000 salary. I need to get 1 lakh salary. I need to get 4 lakh salary per month. So you need something. You need to own a house. You need to own a bike. You need to own a car. You need to live that life kind of lifestyle. So each and every people, you have one success point. So if you need that success point, you need to realize each and every minute of your life. That is what the first point which I really want to share. And the second point which I really want to share with is, think big. Guys, whatever you really want in your life, try to think big. Okay, don't constrain yourself. If I own one car which is worth of 4 lakh, that's enough for me. Don't constrain yourself. Okay, if I'm getting 20,000 salary, that is enough for me. Don't constrain yourself at any cost. Try to dream always big. Okay, so think always big so that you can achieve big. So it will create more opportunity to achieve big. And the third important point, our past is not equal to the future, because whenever I'm asking to the people dream big, Sanjay, I want to own a BMW car. If I'm asking you to think you want to own a BMW car, so a lot of people think, Sanjay, what you are telling? I'm getting only 10,000 salary. How can I own a BMW car? So that's why the third point is, our past is not equal to the future. Your situation or your financial status, it might change at any time. Okay, so don't compare your past and don't compare your present situation to your future dreams. Based on your current situation, don't constrain your dreams. So always dream big. And the third very important point, if you are not filling your day with high priority actions, your day will be automatically filled with low priority distractions. So what is the thing is, if you are waking up on your morning, if you are not knowing what you are going to do on that specific day, that day is going to be filled with lot of distractions like YouTube shorts, Instagram reels or YouTube. You will be more than a consumer, more than a creator. More than a creator, you will become a consumer. So that is what gonna be lead to a lot of the direction. You will lose your direction. So that is what the third very important point. So you should be knowing what you are going to do on that day. And the fourth point, this is gonna be the very important point, guys. We will plant positive thoughts and we will achieve positive results. Your mind is like a land where you can plant both a poisonous plant as well as a fruit plant. It's not mean that the poisonous plant is going to grow slow and fruit plant is going to grow very fast. Both the plant is going to grow equally. It's about you to choose which plant you are going to plant in your land. So same as like what kind of thoughts you are planting. Just for an example, or you a kind of person who used to think like this. Sanjay, I don't have enough money. I'm not good at skill set. I'm not good at programming. I'm not looking good. I don't have a good dress or like accessories. I don't have bike. I don't have own house. I don't have car. I don't have good friends. I don't have good relationship. I'm not good. I'm no. I'm not. I don't have good family. So guys, do you have these thoughts running in your mind? If you guys have these thoughts running in your mind, you just post yes, Sanjay, in a live chat. That will kill you, guys. Let me tell you, that will kill you. Whenever we are launching this 4-in-1 internship, some people posted like sad emojis, and a lot of people have posted, I don't have money, you are waste, or I don't have time, you haven't shared the link. Guys, try to focus on what you want instead of focusing on what you really don't want. Plan positive thoughts, you will receive positive results. Okay, so if even though you are in the same situation, the 11 point which I've told you, I don't have money, I don't have skills, I'm not good looking, I'm not looking handsome, I don't have dress, or I don't have bike, or whatever the situation you are, just do little mind shift to think in the way of, I want to look handsome, I want to look very good and neat and decent, and I want to be financial freedom. I want to get the financial freedom. I want to own a car worth of 1 crore or 2 crore, whatever. I want to own a house worth of 1 crore, or I want to own a bike. I want to own a BMW bike specific on it. I want to like I am good at relationship. I have very good family. I have a very good friendship. Even you don't have very good friends, try to portray yourself like I have good friendship. That will manifest yourself, your subconscious mind, to attract what you really want in your life. Okay, so I hope you got it. Okay, so if you have got it, you just post IGT Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so that is what the thing. So try to manifest yourself in a positive way. Try to think what you really want. So for an example, if Sanjay is teaching, if Sanjay is if Sanjay is teaching unwanted things, I don't want this. If Sanjay, I don't like Sanjay, or I don't like Sanjay's session, whatever. If you don't like something, try to leave it and try to do what you love and which is productive. For an example, if you are posting like I don't like Sanjay's session, or if you are posting like it's boring or whatever. If you are posting it's boring and you have left the session, and if you are going and seeing the Instagram reels to look how the other people are dancing, and how other people are talking, or how other people are cooking, that is zero usage, right? So that is what the very important thing. Please be aware about what you are doing, whether it is going to be helpful for your life or not, and always keep positive thoughts in your mind. That will give positive attitude and positive vibration among you, which will attract positive people. Okay, so the people who stay till this point, because you people have attended this mindset, I really wanted to connect only with these people. Okay, so only you people, guys. Okay, so the people who really wanted to who really stayed till the end, who people have felt who have felt it's like, who have felt like to be connected with this mindset, you just give you just connect with me through the LinkedIn. So we used to connect with the people who are in the same frequency. Okay, so that is what it's all about, and I hope you really enjoyed a lot. If you have enjoyed a lot, you just post I enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat. So the people who are registering for the internship, this community, inner circle community, with the application which is going to be absolutely for free. And yes, mindset session we guys have cleared out. And if you really want to check our customer feedback, you can check our customer feedback through the Google, where you used to get 12,000 plus Google review with 4.7 star rating. If you want to check, you can check. And if you guys have any questions, just post your questions in the live chat so we can discuss a lot. Okay, and yes, if you guys have any questions, please raise your questions in the live chat, guys. Thank you so much, Sadhana, for posting that, and Saravanan, congratulations. Thank you so much, Manish. And another very important thing, guys, from tomorrow, bring your laptop. Because from tomorrow, I'm going to start installing Python from the scratch. So if you have missed out the tomorrow session and the rest of the days, you will be getting demoted because you might have not even installed the Python. So don't miss out the tomorrow session. We are going to install the Python on the tomorrow session. And we are going to start it from the scratch. We are going to start doing some basic program. Even though you are a beginner, you are going to do a lot more stuff from the tomorrow. You are going to build a lot of projects from tomorrow. So be ready for it. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. And how many people really love the session? If you really love the session, you just post, I loved the session, Sanjay, in your live chat. And the people who wanted to follow me, you can follow me to the LinkedIn, my LinkedIn link, which is given in the description. You just click the link and you can follow me through the LinkedIn. Okay. So thank you, Harsh, for posting that comment. Great personality. And Zeno loved it. And Akshay loved it. And Sunil loved it. That's awesome. Mark, that's awesome. Thank you so much, guys. These people I really want to attract. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your love which you are giving throughout the live session, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Oliver. Thank you, Richa. Thank you, Quashis. Thank you, Rohit. Thank you, Sricharan. Thank you, Vaniram Marova. And Sadhana, thank you. And Nehru Prasad, thank you. And Rakesh Sharma, thank you. Thank you so much. A2DG, thank you. And Pushpa, thank you. Praveen, thank you. And from tomorrow, we are going to build a lot of projects, guys. Can you explain the creating a chatbot again? I'm really sorry, the thing, because the time has got over. I think a lot of people are already rushed up. So you can register for the internship and you can get that, okay? Because we have taken a lot of time and we have explained very in detail. For the chatbot itself, we have taken more than 1 hour. It's our eye opener class. Vignesh, that's awesome. Be connected with me. Stay connected for till the 30 days. So apart from the certificate, you will learn a lot. Apart from the technical, you will learn a lot. The mindset and everything. There is a lot of stuff which is really waiting for you guys. Okay, so Bhavya Krishna, Porkodi, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. And Allu Himavadi, thank you. And Janul Amala, thank you. And Vignesh, thank you. Mukesh, I need to interact with you, sir, a lot about this. Just try to follow me through the LinkedIn, my LinkedIn link, which is given in the description. I would like to attend the internship. How much are 999 rupees in dollars? I think international link, which is also shared in the live chat. You just click the link and you can follow it. Thank you, Harsh. Thank you, Bharat. Thank you, Million, mate, Osh. And Pushpa, thank you. And thank you so much, guys. Can I get a PPT of this session? Not a PPT, this PDF, I think only for the first day we can share it. Ria Jaiswal, thank you. Does this course helpful for electrical engineering students? Yes, definitely it will be helpful. So, okay, so I think some of the international participants are still facing the issues. So what I can do is I'm just extending this 4-in-1 course combo for until tonight. Okay, tonight around 11:45 I'll deactivate the link. So I just extended this offer just till tonight. Still a lot of international people can't able to do the payment. Still they are asking their inquiries. So I'm just going to extend this till tonight. Okay, the people who want to register for this 4-in-1 combo, this is the right time opportunity. The link is just given in the live chat, and the mail, the link which is also going to be shared through the email. So you just use the link and register for the internship before it ends. Anamika, thank you. Thank you, Alone Boy, thank you. And Shaikh Masu, thank you. And Rupali, thank you. And Anand, thank you. Alone Boy, please try to change your name, because whenever you are putting that kind of message in your name, like Alone Boy means you will feel to love to be alone, but that will manifest yourself without knowingly, and it will be turned into true. Okay, so try to be aware about the name which you are keeping. Abhyodon, thank you so much. You are spoken well. Thank you so much, Abhyodon. And next live session, each and every day live is going to be conducted daily. The YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you are subscribing to the channel, you will be getting notified through with the live link. So don't forget that. Aditya Prasad, thank you. Thank you, A2 Digi. Thank you, Sumant. Thank you. Thank you, Manila. Thank you. And Nairuti, thank you. And thank you, Ketki, thank you. And Walajudik, thank you. And Harun, thank you, and Akhilesh, thank you. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are giving your thank you messages in the live chat. Thank you. I felt really happy. And you can also follow me through the LinkedIn, guys. My LinkedIn link, which is given in the live chat. Okay, thank you, Roshan. Thank you, Dipankar. Next live session detail, please. Every day live will be scheduled on the YouTube. Please check your YouTube, please check the YouTube channel. The same timing, 5 to 6. Chaitanya, thank you. And Pratiksha, thank you. And Harun, thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Subin, thank you. And TNM, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. And Pushpa Gau, thank you. And Nasir Ahmad, thank you. And fan of Stylish Star, thank you. And Parashuram, thank you. And Umar, thank you. Bed, thank you. Thank you so much, guys. I really love you lots. So thank you so much for the support which you are given throughout the session. So our upcoming days, which is going to be super interactive and a lot of projects we are going to build up. So thank you so much for your interaction. Thank you so much for your support. And again, I'm telling you this 4-in-1 combo at the price of 999. We have extended this offer till tonight. Okay. So the link will be shared through an email as well. Just don't forget, today is the last opportunity to get this 4-in-1 course at the price of 999. From tomorrow, the single course, the price, which is going to be turned into 1499. So the total price, if you want to purchase these 4 courses, the price is going to be 5,496 rupees. Sorry, 5,496 rupees. So this is the right opportunity. The link will be shared through in the live chat, and also going to be shared through email. If you want to consult with your parents, feel free to consult with your parents and try to show 4 agendas if they want. So just try to compare Udemy or whatever which you want to compare, but try to make a decision right today itself. So thank you so much once again. It's me, Sanjay, signing off. Until then, bye. We'll see you on the tomorrow session.